We've gone through startup, troubleshooting of the suction filters. Now I'd like to go over a little bit with you on engines. What about an engine that goes on a sprayer? A couple things I'd like to point out to you about a GNC engine on a sprayer that we do that very few people do. You'll notice there's a rubber hose right here, and that is a drain hose. You can actually pull this out, open it up, and drain your oil into a pan. Whereas most people don't bother to do that, and you have to remove the drain plug from the engine, and more than likely you'll have oil all over everything. That's a big benefit, and that comes on the sprayers that GNC manufactures. How about the engine? Let's go back to one point. Don't change the throttle once it's set at our factory. Leave it there. The engines that GNC puts on sprayers have an oil shut-off system on them. So if you get the engine in and it's low on oil, it won't start. So if you get one in, or you're out in the field sometime later and it just won't start and it feels like there's no fire, you know it's got gas in it, check the oil level, because the oil level is critical, because it will not start if the oil's low. Sometimes the oil can look like it's right, but if you're parked on a hill and it's steep, that can make the oil go away from the shutoff and not let the engine start. So before you start calling and complaining about the engine, check your oil, and more than likely that's what's causing the issue of the engine not starting.